Hello everybody, welcome to Anantalakshmi Academy. As told in the earlier video, today we are going to discuss the rest of the problems of exercise 9.3. We have completed 4 problems of exercise 9.3. I have already written the fifth question on the board, so let's get started. Right, so here it is given, okay, find the area of the shaded region. I forgot to draw the figure here. There are 2 semicircles and we are to figure out this area, shaded region. Okay, it was given with a different design in the textbook. For my comfort, I just reduced it for like this. Okay, it is given that we need to figure out the area of the shaded region where ABCD is a square and APD and BPC are semicircles. So in order to attain the shaded region area, how do we do it generally? Area of the square minus 2 times the area of semicircles, since we have 2 semicircles. Let us do the same. Okay, given, what is given for us? The side of a square is given. The side of a square is nothing but the diameter of the semicircle, isn't it? Side of a square is equal to 7 centimeters. Side of a square or diameter of semicircle, isn't it? Now, when the diameter is 7, what does the radius become? 7 by 2 centimeters, isn't it? Now, area of a square is equal to side into side. No, this is. So 7 into 7, which becomes 49 square centimeters. So area of unshaded region or area of the 2 semicircles is nothing but 2 into area of semicircle. Why it is 2 times? Because we have 2 semicircles. So this becomes 2 into half into pi r square. No, the formula is. So we are going to use 22 by 7. That is what is told for us here. So r square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So this becomes 7 gets cancelled. 2 11s are 2 5.5s are. That way this becomes 38.5 square centimeters. 7 5s are 35 and this becomes 38.5 square centimeters. Now, area of the shaded region, the ultimate answer. The area of shaded region is equal to, how do we figure that out? Area of square minus area of unshaded region, which is nothing but 49 minus 38.5, which in turn becomes 10.5 square centimeters. Alright, that's about problem number 5. Let's look at the next problem. So here we have the problem number 6 written on the board. Let us read it out. In figure, OACB is a quadrant. What is a quadrant? Quadrant is 4th part of a circle. If you divide a circle into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, this particular piece, which looks like a pizza slice, is a quadrant. Okay, circle with center O and radius is given as 3.5 centimeters. If OD is equal to 2 centimeters, find the area of the shaded region. Okay, let us write what is given for us. Given OD is equal to 2 centimeters, radius is equal to 3.5 centimeters. So forget about the triangle for a while. Look at this. This is nothing but OBCA. What is it? It is OA and OB are nothing but, in a quadrant, these 2 things are nothing but radius, isn't it? Here the length of the opposite side of the triangle is given, just 2 centimeters. This particular part is 1.5. That is what is radius. The total length OD plus DA is nothing but 3.5 centimeters. And in quadrants, the angle made is 90 degrees. In quadrant, when it is split into 4 equal halves, at the center, the angle made is 90 degrees. So if you observe this OACB, this is looking like a sector. The arc which is enclosed in radii is nothing but sector. So how do we figure out the area of shaded region? Area of shaded region is equal to area of sector OACB minus area of triangle ODB or OBD. What is the sector formula? X by 360, x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square minus half into base into height. Okay. Now, x is 90 degrees by 360 degrees into what is the value of pi that we are supposed to use? 22 by 7 into 7. Sorry, 3.5, right? Radius 3.5 into 3.5 minus half into the base of the triangle is 3.5 centimeters, whereas the height is only 2 centimeters. So 2 gets cancelled here. 91s are, 94s are, 2 2s are, 2 11s are, 7 5s are, 7.5s are. Okay, even if you want to take this out, this is like 0.2s are, 5s are. Okay, if I take 3.5 common here, 3.5 is a common multiple in both of them, no? 11 into 0.25. So this is like 0.25 into 11. 0.25, sorry, and 0.25. That is going to be 5, 6, 7 and 2. 2.75, right? 2.75 minus 1. Here I took this as common. So this is like 3.5 into 2.75 minus 1 is 1.75. So let us do the multiplication of 1.75 with 3.5. 5 is a 25, 5 is a 35, 37, 5 ones are 5, 8, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 22, 3 ones are and 5. 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 1, 2. And this is 1.75 and point after there are 3 decimal points. So this is going to be 6.125 square centimeters. Alright, the area of the shaded region, how did we figure that out? The area of the sector which is making 90 degrees minus area of the triangle, and we got the answer is 6.125 square centimeters. That is about problem number 6. Let's look at the next problem. So here we have the 7th problem written on the board. Let me read that out. So if AB and CD are respectively arcs of 2 concentric circles. Here 2 concentric circles is given. This is an arc of concentric circle. What is a concentric circle? 2 circles which lie one inside the other with the same center. Now CD is a arc of one circle, meaning 7 centimeters is the radius of one circle and 21 centimeters is radius of the bigger circle which lies outside. Okay, now if angle AOB is equal to 30 degrees, angle AOB is 30 degrees, find the area of the shaded region. This area we have to figure out. Now there are 2 circles, isn't it? Okay, let me write the given angle AOB is equal to 30 degrees. Let the radius of bigger arc, capital R is equal to 21 centimeters and the radius of smaller arc, small r, is equal to 7 centimeters. Now how do we figure out the area of this shaded region? If you look at this particular symbol, the arc and 2 radii, what is it? The area enclosed within the radii, the arc which is enclosed within radii is known as sector. So area of the shaded region can be given by area of the shaded region can be given by area of the bigger sector minus area of the smaller sector. How do we put that? Area of sector, what is the bigger sector? OAB minus area of smaller sector OCD. Okay, now what is the sector formula? X by 360 into pi capital R square minus x by 360 into pi small r square. If you look here, x by 360 into pi, x by 360 into pi is common. So I am taking that out. That becomes x by 360 into pi to r square minus small r square. Okay. So what is x? Given it as 30 degrees, 30 by 360 into pi, we are supposed to use it as 22 by 7. And r square minus r square is nothing but 21 minus 21 whole square minus, what is the other one? 7 square. Alright. So 30, 0, 0 cancel. 3 ones are, 3 twos are 6, 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 11s are. Okay. Now 21 minus 21 square minus 7 square can be given as, let us simplify this. 21 minus 7 is 14. 21 plus 7 is 28. Okay. Anyway, it is fine. Okay. Let 21 into 21. 21 to 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Which is 441. Okay. 441 minus 49. Isn't it? Okay. 11 minus 9 is 2. 13 minus 4 is 9. This becomes 392. So 11 into 392 by 7 into 6. Let us see if this can be cancelled in 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 7 5s are 35, 4 2, 7 6 are 42. Okay. And this goes off. 6 1s are 6. 6 okay, 6 9s are 54.2. 6 9s are 54, right? 20 is 6 3s are 18, 20, and it goes on 9.33. So 9.33 and 9.33, 3 6 12 10. So this goes off as 102.63 square centimeters. Is it visible? 102.63. Yeah. So how did we do the calculation? We just considered the smaller radius as smaller and bigger radius as capital R, and then did the simplification, which ended up as 102.63 square centimeters. That is about problem number 7. Let's look at the problem number 8. So here we have the problem number 8 written on the board. Calculate the area of the design region. Okay. Just give me a minute. Let me draw it. A, B, C, D. We have to figure out this. 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters. Isn't it? Yeah. So yeah, 8th problem. Calculate the area of the designed region. This area we are to figure out which is common between two quadrants. I told you, right, the 4th part, which looks like a pizza slice, is nothing but the quadrant in a circle. Now there are two quadrants overlapped in such a way that one is drawn like this and there is one more which is like this. Now which got overlapped, so that way it becomes, one is this, and I took it the other one also. and it has become like this. That's how we ended up with this figure. Okay, common between two quadrants of the circle of radius 10 centimeters each. This radius is 10 centimeters, this radius is centimeters. When we linked these two, it was forming this particular figure. Okay, now in order to figure out the area, this area, if we do the sum of these two areas, okay, sum of these two areas minus area of the square. Okay, sum of these two areas is this. First, ABD sector and BCD sector. Okay, when we take those two into picture, this is doubled. This particular part is coming how many times? 2 times it is coming. So if we subtract the square's area, 1 time will go off, so that we will get the area of the shaded region. Okay, let us write the given part first. Given area of side of a square. Side of a square or radius of quadrant, both are same, no? Is equal to 10 centimeters is what is given. Now, in order to figure out the area of designed region or shaded region, in the problem it is given as designed region, hence I am writing the same. 2 times the area of, what is it? The area which is enclosed between two radii with an arc, sector. Area of the sector minus, why am I doing 2 times the area of the sector? Because for both of them the radius is same, and area of the square. So what happens? 2 into area of the sector x by 360 into pi r square minus area of the square is s square. So 2 into, what is the angle? X is not given now. How do we figure that out? Area within a quadrant, the angle made by the sector is always 90 degrees. So 90 degrees by 360 degrees into 3.14 into radius is nothing but 10 into 10 minus s square is 10 into 10. Alright, 94s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 7s are. Alright. So here 100 and 100 are common. So let me take out that 100 common. 1.757 minus 1. That way it becomes 100 into 0.57, which is nothing but 57 square centimeters. Okay, 100 into 0.57, if you multiply, the decimal goes off with 2 places. This way it becomes 57 square centimeters. Alright, so that is about the last problem of this exercise, problem number 8, and I'm going to close the tangents and secants of a circle chapter with this video. In the next video, I'll be coming up with a new chapter of 10th class mathematics. Till then, keep watching Ananthalakshmi Academy, and if you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe to Ananthalakshmi Academy. Also, please share it with your friends or any of your relatives who are studying in 10th class. Right? Thank you for watching.